Hello little friends, welcome back to the Cheerful channel. Today, Big Brother has a mystery picture. Let's scrub the image. Guess what picture? Those who already know what the picture is, raise your finger. Surely you already know what the picture is, right? Yes, that's right, a picture of a sheep. Now we color the image of the sheep. First, we give the grass color. Let's give it green. We give black color to our sheep's hooves. Then we give brown color to the sheep's ears. We give the fur a gray color. Hooray! It's our picture. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.